If you want to start trading in 2026, here's a clear roadmap to follow. Some strategies that worked 2 or 3 years ago simply don't work anymore. There's no point in learning outdated methods. The market evolves and your approach must evolve with it. This channel focuses on real learning, not showing off profits or lifestyle. The goal is to build strong fundamentals that actually work in today's market. In this video, you'll learn concepts that many beginners take years just to even hear about. From day one, you'll at least know the names and the importance of key trading principles. If you're serious about trading, take out a notebook and a pen. Make proper notes. This video can become your complete roadmap. Follow it step by step and you'll reduce losses and increase your chances of profit. If you're ready, comment "I am ready." Let's begin. This video is made for educational purposes only. Trading and investing involve market risk. This channel will not be responsible for any profits or losses. Step 1. Which market should you choose? Trading simply means buying and selling. But what should you trade? You have 3 main options: stock market, crypto market, and forex market. Everyone will recommend something different. But based on experience, here's the reality in 2026. Stock market. Yes, it's legal and easy to access in India, but today it has some challenges, especially for beginners with small capital. Intraday leverage is mostly limited to 5x or less. Futures and options selling require high capital, often 2.5 to 3 lakhs or more. Margin requirements have increased. Market timing is fixed, 9:15 am to 3:30 pm. If you have large capital, the stock market can still work. But for beginners with limited funds, it has become difficult. Forex market. If you're outside India, Forex can be a good option. But in India, regulations and broker issues make it complicated. Accounts can get restricted and finding a reliable broker is not easy. Crypto market, which is my preferred option for 2026. For beginners today, crypto futures trading makes the most sense. Why? Because it runs 24/7. You can trade after office or college, even in the evening. Good volatility during the London and New York sessions. Higher leverage available. Now, if you're thinking about what about 30% tax in crypto, that tax applies to direct buying and selling of crypto. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about crypto futures trading where the taxation structure is different. Also, use an FIU registered platform, so legality is not a concern. In crypto futures, leverage can go up to 2x, but that doesn't mean you should use x. Even 10x to 20x is more than enough. By the way, the platform that I recommend for crypto trading is Delta Exchange. It is FIU registered in India and you can deposit and withdraw in Indian rupees. It offers up to 2x leverage and it has strong liquidity for futures trading. If you open Delta Exchange account using our link given in the description, you will get discount on trading fees and free 2000 rupees subscription of Adirah AI from our side. After opening your account through our link, make sure to fill the Google form given below in the description. Otherwise, we won't be able to activate your account for free subscription. Step 2. Learn the platform first. Before trading, you must learn how to buy and sell, how to add and withdraw funds, how to set leverage, how to set stop loss and target. Just like learning how to ride a bike, first learn the controls. Step 3. Understand market sessions. Now, let's talk about something very important. Many people think crypto runs 24/7, so every hour is the same. That's not true. Yes, the market is open 24/7, but the activity inside the market changes depending on which part of the world is active. In crypto, we mainly observe 3 major sessions. London session, around 12:30 pm IST onward. This gives good volatility. New York session, which is around 7 pm IST onward, gives strong moves. The Asian session usually has lower volatility. If the market doesn't move, you cannot make money, so timing matters. Step 4. Learn core concepts. Before using any strategy, you must understand support and resistance, trend lines, chart patterns, candlestick patterns, risk management, leverage, liquidation. Then move to advanced concepts like smart money concepts, SMC, inner circle trading, ICT, fair value gaps, and order blocks. These concepts are often sold in expensive courses, but they are publicly available if you search properly. Don't jump directly into advanced topics, build from basics. Step 5. Develop or choose a strategy. A trading strategy is simply a repeating pattern. History tends to repeat in markets. If a setup worked multiple times in the past, it may work again. You can create your own strategy or use someone else's strategy, but don't blindly copy. Understand why it works. Step 6. Backtest your strategy. This is very important. Open past charts 1 to 3 months back. Apply your strategy and record entry, stop loss, target and result. If over 2-3 months you can see overall profit, then the strategy may be valid. If not, refine it and test again. Step 7. Paper trade first. Even after backtesting, don't jump into real money immediately. Paper trade in live markets. Write down your trades. Check if stop loss or target get hits. Once you gain confidence, then start live trading. Step 8. Risk management is everything. There is where most beginners fail. If you risk 1000 rupees, aim for at least 3000 reward. Always maintain a good risk to reward ratio. Decide how much capital you can risk per trade. Always use stop loss and never over leverage. Without stop loss, one bad day can wipe out months of profit. Step 9. Think in overall profit. Trading is not about one trade, it's about monthly performance. If you made rupees 30,000 profit but had 20,000 rupees loss, your real profit is 10,000 rupees. Don't get emotional over single wins or losses. Focus on staying profitable overall. Losses will happen, profits will happen. Your job is to manage risk and stay consistent. Let me end with this. Trading doesn't fail people, impatience does. The market is not your enemy, your emotions are. If you rush, over leverage, skip back testing, or ignore risk management, the market will teach you a lesson. But if you stay disciplined, if you follow one strategy, if you control your risk, and if you focus on overall monthly profit instead of one trade, then slowly, step by step, you'll grow. Not overnight, but consistently. 2026 can either be another year of random trades, or the year you actually become serious about trading. The roadmap is clear now. The rest depends on your discipline. And as I already mentioned earlier, open your Delta Exchange account using our link and fill the Google form to get the benefits we discussed. If you watched till the end, comment, I am ready.